Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use aloe vera for cleansing, toning, scrubbing, and moisturizing. Aloe vera has numerous skincare benefits, and I'm going to talk about a few of them in this video. Before getting into all that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link the details in the description. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For this, you can use the gel from the aloe vera plant, or you can get it directly from a store. I personally feel I get the best results by using the natural gel from the plant. The first step is cleansing. Cut out a small piece out of the aloe vera leaf, leaving one side with no peel or the green stuff, and rub it all over your face. Aloe vera has soothing anti-inflammatory properties. It's perfect for cleansing. It also fights acne and blemishes. I sometimes use it to treat any sunburns, redness, or rashes on my skin, and it works every single time. After using it for some time, the top layer on the aloe vera leaf might feel a little dry. Then use your fingernail or a small knife to make a cut, and it'll be back in action. Once you're done applying, let it dry and then clean it off with the wet facial tissue. The second step is scrubbing. For this, again, cut another small piece from the aloe vera leaf, sprinkle some sugar on it. I'm using cane sugar in this video, and scrub your face in circular motions for a minute or two. And then wash it off with warm water. The third step is toning. For this, take small pieces of aloe vera without the green peel and add them directly to a mixer jar. And add rose water to it. I'm using Dabur Gulabri. I think whole India uses this product. It smells so good. I love Dabur Gulabri. And also add some water to it. I haven't shown that in the video, but please do add water. Not too much, but some water. And then shift the contents to a spray bottle. I know my spray bottle is the hairspray bottle, but I'm working with what I got. It works. Spray it on your face. You can also use a cotton, like spray the contents onto the cotton and then rub it onto your face. But I think I just like directly doing it from the spray bottle. And then I'm using my fingers to spread the product. And here I'm just waiting for the contents to absorb, and then I'll be done with toning. The fourth and final step is moisturizing. Take fresh piece of aloe vera and apply it all over your face like regular moisturizer. It might feel a little more sticky than the regular moisturizer, so I would recommend you do all of this before going to bed and let the aloe vera stay overnight, and then you can wash it off in the morning. I do this every single night. I apply aloe vera in the night and let it stay overnight, and I wash it off in the morning, and it helped me wonders on my uneven skin tone, especially around my mouth. And I would recommend you do the same if you have uneven skin tone problems. This aloe vera skincare will help you get brighter skin, helps you get rid of acne, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and dry skin. Save your skin from harmful chemicals and get beautiful skin naturally with aloe vera. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up and take a look at my other videos too.